You're probably wondering, what is field service? Field service refers to work done at a customer's site to install, repair, or maintain products or equipment. Field service workers deliver skilled, specialized, and even proprietary services and have been an important part of keeping manufacturing, high-tech, and telecommunications customers happy and loyal. But field service is quickly evolving. It has grown to meet the needs and expectations of a wide range of B2B and B2C customers across many new and existing industries, and includes a broader range of mobile employees, those whose desks consist of a laptop, a mobile device, and a vehicle. Field service management software supports this new generation of deskless employees who work while on the go, helping customers maximize their product investments. To see how to manage your field service resources, teams, and solutions, visit our website today.